Here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. When you buy a set of prints and then get a great deal on a set of frames, but the two don't match, 8 by 10 and something like a 8 by 11 prints. So I decided to do my own thing and fit the print to the frame. Very common. I'm sure many do it, but this worked out well for me. Very simple process. Just cut to fit the frame and you're good to go. Use the backing of the frame as your guide to how much to cut from each edge. Enjoy. Thanks for tuning in. So here's what the old looks like. And now we're going to transform it into somewhat new. Still working on it, still gaining ideas, but here's what we're going to do today. Here we go, bathroom do-over time. Perfect for the bathroom, wouldn't you say? At some point, a cabinet will go behind the toilet, which will make it easier to store necessities like toilet paper and towels, etc. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video. Carlene, out.